first of all, there's already an order from DOJ for us to enforce the warrant issued by the ICC. So, there's no reading between the lines. Simple lang, we will enforce the warrant. Pag nakita namin siya, arrestoin namin siya. Pero hinahanap namin siya ngayon. That is the problem now because of yung nangyari na protective custody ng Senate. Because there was a gentleman's agreement na laking usapan na pagka kailangan ng present si Senator Bato, the Senate will be the one to present him. Now that there is no PRO na binigay, ibig sabihin, walang status quo ante na binigay, ibig sabihin, the warrant is valid, can be enforced. So, wala na kami international way. If there's an ongoing actions that we're undertaking, of course, there's a dedicated team to look after it. And we will arrest him.
And this is a nationwide operation.
NBI is located, meron kaming officers located nationwide, and that is an order to every law enforcement agent. And I think the same way with the Philippine National.
Are you working within a specific timeline? Are we looking at weeks, months?
We don't have a timeline, because if we will see him today, we will arrest him today. If we will see him tomorrow or next week, we will arrest him. But we are right now looking for him. Kung paano siya umalis sa Senado, we're tracking.